Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I have this tiny box from overseas. I ordered this on Etsy. This is my first non-Sony, oh well, actually not my first, but this is my second non-Sony mini disc player. That's cool. And then we've got these items. Came with some discs. Ooh, they feel nice because they've been in the cold. This is a nice one too. I like this disc. They both are pretty cool. Laurel Parley, Brazil mix. It's gonna be fun. Now this. Look at that, a rubber band. Useful. Ooh, another one. I like these, and this is pretty rare too. Wow. That's cool. I don't know what that says. That's cool. I got two of these so far. A little used. So maybe let's check these discs out. Okay. Ooh. The little blue robot. I got a green one of these. So this kind of adds to the set that I'm slowly accumulating. Another Pop disc. Nice. Cool XL orange. Running out of space for this on frame. Oh, what is this? Oh, okay. Some HEXA.glitch. Oh no, this is a remote. Look at that. Oh. Stays plugged in. What are you doing with it? Cool. This is a cool remote. I've never had a Panasonic player. Well, this remote's kind of a unique experience. Cool, let's get this out of the way. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't eat the plastic, okay? Don't eat it. Boris, you watch after her. Okay, back to this. Oh, I think this is the player. Alright. Alright. Plug it to the player. I want to save that for last. Oh, sick. This is the the ridiculous dongle that I keep hearing about and reading about. So you put AA batteries into this, and this gives you extra battery life, extra power for your player. Here we are. This would be my second non-Sony player, but also my second non-player that's blue. Look at that. Not too bad. Some tiny scuffs, but I can probably try to buff that out. Ooh, there's like a dent right here. But I could probably unscrew that and kind of bend it back. Doesn't look like it's too bad of a dent. Let's see if this even opens. There's a disc in here. Wait, look at that. That's not a good sign. There's a battery. Oh no. And is it bad? It's a little corroded. Yeah, it's a little fucked up. I have to do some TDL or TLC on this thing. Probably can still use this battery if I clean it off. But yeah, there's some minor corrosion here. And it's bent. But not too bad. Look at that closing mechanism. Interesting. So here's my other non-Sony player. It's Sharp. I guess it's like a ST521. I forgot what the first two letters are, but it's 521. This thing is solid. Yeah, I really enjoy this thing. It plays standard minidiscs. Standard play minidiscs. It's from pre-2000s, pre-millennial. All metal. It's a little finicky. Occasional dropouts if I, either I'm too rough with it or whatever. But it's a fun player to listen on. It has like 3 bass modes. It's kind of excessive. It like shakes the headphones. And it's like almost on the shrill side on treble. So it's very toppy, but it's nice. It's fun. It's fun. I'm not going to say it's like amazing because if you listen with IEMs on, you hear a lot of hiss. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm going to get my Sony player. So this is pre-thousand Sony, pre-millennial. Not sure what year this one came out as. This probably came out after the thousands. This might be, yeah, MDLP. So this plays long. This is after the 2000s. So this is newer, newest out of all of these. It's also really tiny, really tiny. Yeah, I love this guy. It's also really fun. There's 2 bass modes, really punchy, really fun to listen to as well. There's a lot of hiss. This has a lot of hiss, also fun. This has, I think, an excessive amount of bass, an excessive amount of treble. Not all music will be fun to listen to on this. Sometimes things would be like you would have to turn down the volume or adjust something during some parts of the songs. This one's really good, an overall sound quality without IEMs on. Punchy bass. I like this one a lot. Player only, blue. I have other mini disc machines, if you want to call it that, but there are recorders, and also I guess there's recorders and also not blue. I'm gonna see if this thing even turns on, but first I'm gonna try to clean all of this up. Okay, so did a little tinkering off screen or off camera, just because of my the record. I don't have a lot of record space on my phone, so I'm just trying to conserve. But with my little handy screwdriver, I managed to, 1, not lose the screws, and 2, get it open. And there's quite a bit of dust. Looks like either the battery died midway or something, or like the power cut out after midway, because usually if the machine stopped normally when you press it to stop, it would go back and reset. But this is dead in the middle of the track, so I'm assuming the power died at some point during playback, and he just left it dead since it died. Who knows for how long. But I'm gonna give this a little clean and see if it works after that. Also, I'm gonna try to bend this back into shape. Seems simple enough. And then I'm gonna try to reassemble it. All right, so just did my best to kind of bend this back into shape. This is where it was like super dramatic. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. It's not like an obvious bend to me. I went ahead and cleaned and picked off like the lint from like the inside. Looks like this is very dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get lithium grease and I'm just gonna dab just a little bit inside or along this this section right here. And this is kind of a good spot. So that way when it retracts, it would kind of coat itself, and then I can probably go back in there and give it a little more, and then let it run through, and then it'll kind of evenly coat itself without having me to move anything and all that stuff. So I believe I cleaned most as I could out from here, and I believe this is in good shape now. So I'm going to assemble this back, and then we're going to flip this over, and I'm going to try to get that corrosion out. I figured I'll do this part on camera just because it's not that tedious and it's not going to take that much time. So what I'm going to do is just quickly dab a little bit on the brush tip. Make sure I have it nice and kind of evenly coated. This glob. And then I'm just going to put it right on. Just a little bit at a time. I'm going to put some over here. Put some underneath. And I think that's enough. If anything, I'm probably going to take some off just to kind of thin it out. We don't want it to be too thick. Thin it out. All right, I think that's all I'm going to do for the main section of the player. I'm going to assemble it back. I guess I'll try to do it on camera. No, it's going to take much time. All right, be right back. Okay, well, that wasn't too bad. So the dent was like here. It went like bang. And I think I fixed it. Or at least the aesthetic. This is cool. I like this the simplicity of this hinge and this door. If you look at the other units, like the this guy, there's like this whole compartment down here or inside here. So it's not just like, I don't know, but it is solid. I have to say all of this is solid. This is really solid too. And it's like the fraction of the size. Yeah, holy crap. I think this can go inside this. No, basically. If you want to break stuff, you could shove it in there. So, yeah, so this looks pretty good now. Let's just get it to work. Let's put a gum stick battery. Well, let's clean the terminals first. I keep forgetting. Did my best to clean off as much as I could. Oh, great, there's lint now. With vinegar, here's some white vinegar I brought, and I just with the brush and some vinegar and then alcohol afterwards, I just cleaned most of this off as best I could, make it nice and gold again. Make sure you get the alcohol to clean off the residue, because you don't want that vinegar to kind of stay in there, otherwise it's going to cause other problems. While I'm at it, I'm just going to clean off the white here, the alcohol. I'm hoping after all of this TLC, this player will still work, even though I should have tested it before I cleaned it and did all this stuff. Where's my microfiber? Okay, here's some alcohol on that. This is made in Japan? Oh, great. This is made in Japan. I didn't even, that's cool. As it should be. I know some players are made in Malaysia and China. I wonder if there's any players in Taiwan, made in Taiwan. I mean, all right, so that's pretty clean. Went ahead and got this battery. This works for sure. So I'm gonna just see if this player works. Any sign of life? Is there a light that we can look at? Oh, I hear spinning. I guess this player is like default at the middle or something. Let's find a song or a disc that we can test. Oh wait, let's see what the remote says. Is there any information? Okay. No disc. Okay. There we go. Does it automatically search, or how does this? We used a Panasonic, so let's see. Play. Hey, moving. Is it like wait, hold, or what does that mean? Oh, hey, she's alive. Or is the hold button on? Is that what it's saying? Cool. I mean, it's reading something. Let's see if it skips. Nice. 3. Did I do it? Oh, there's only 2 tracks. I guess. Stop. Oh, yeah. She's alive. Volume? Where's the volume on this remote? Is this the volume? Really? Just rock it? Oh, yeah. She works. She looks good. Very cool. And the remote twirls around. Neat little feature. Oh, this is fucked up. I'm gonna have to do some repairing on that so it doesn't, so I don't lose it. Cool. Very neat. Feels great. It's so small. So happy with this one. When I first got it, it was like very hard to close. And now you can close it from both sides. Very neat, actually. I like that. I think I have a new favorite player. New favorite player. Very cool. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I know it's nothing crazy, nothing wild, nothing exciting, but this is what I like to do. I like to collect this stuff. I'm into this stuff. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Thanks for hanging out.